This is a quite easy text animation to do, and it looks fairly good as well. Let's see how we can do that. Start by creating a new composition and add a text layer. Open up the small notch, and inside the Animate option, add a Position Animator. You will see Animator 1 at the top. While you are there, inside Animator 1, add an Opacity property as well. This will allow us to control both the position and the opacity within the same Animator property. Furthermore, feel free to add the Blur property as well. We want the text to slowly move up, become opaque, and unblur itself. In order to do this, let's move the Y position down to 100. Set the opacity to 0 and the blur value to be around 20. In order to animate this, let's keyframe the offset. Keyframe it at 0 and move around 2 seconds ahead and keyframe it at a 100. Now play the animation. Something's wrong. The text is moving on a character basis. In order to move it on a word-by-word basis, inside the Advanced property, change the Based On property to Words. If we play it, it should work. Now it is just a matter of smoothing things up a bit. In order to make a smoother effect, inside the Advanced property, change the shape to Ramp Up and keep the Easy Low at 50%. This will make the animation a bit off, so reduce the offset to -100 in the first keyframe. There you have it, a perfectly made animation that is easy and quite interesting to look at. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe.